Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would jump back into it and do a clean with me for spring. I have been missing for quite some time and I'll make a whole different video on that if you guys are interested, but I thought today we'd do a little bit of cleaning motivation, and I have been obsessed with my spring decorating. It's nice and clean and whites and pinks, and I wanted to show you. So let me show you where we're going to be cleaning. Okay, so this is what I'm working with today. Say hi to Alice. So this is what I'm working with today. I need to tidy up the couch area. I need to dust that off, put my Apple Watch away, and then I have a couple packages. There's new bedding in there. There's my new placemats. I need to dust and vacuum all of this. And then I would like to get this won't be a today thing, but I would like to get this better decorated. For spring, I don't know what I want to do with this space. It has a little basket of Alice's toys, but basically I'm going to do this room, and then I'm going to do the dining room, which I don't think you guys have seen yet, but as you can see, there is boxes, there's cleaning supplies. This is a chandelier we're going to be hanging, but we need to... That's a whole other story. We need to get an electrician out and hang that, but that one needs to be moved to the center of the, ceiling, because the old owners moved it because their table was very small and up against that window. So that needs to be moved to the center of the ceiling, and that's going to take an electrician. But I love this vase with these flowers. Oh my goodness, I love it. So let's go ahead and get cleaning.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my love, 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 love. to do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 love. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more pain. I calm down and I watch it dry, and there it is, my I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine.